that wasn't my GoPro. I thought that was my GoPro.
Corey's doing his fucking send it pack for the Mantis FPV Pinky Challenge. The Christmas December video entry.
The one working quad.
It's going to be one of them. He's going to send it, we're going to watch. We're going to record Corey's things that he's saying.
Yeah, fair enough.
So you're going to send it. Whoa! Hey, buddy!
Oh man, I just took that battery down to 21 volts then.
Yeah, I know. Did you need to like change your undies after that?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. I was going to say, a few fucking brown poo smears. I can't record it for some reason. Oh, there we go. What? Oh shit!
Well, so I saw something fly off then. I had no power.
I just got frozen screen. You're down there. Let's see what the carnage is. Place your bets. Is it broken? 7 inch. It's 7 inch.
I'm broken arm.
Do you?
I'm broken arm.
It's fucking broken.
Well,
He sent it. So Impulse, I apologise, but that's 3 warranty items just today because of me.
I have no working quads now. That's me done.
That's alright. At least it's fixed for free. Oh,
Yeah, for $10.
yeah. Postage.
Oh,
That's alright.
that's my day done.
Fucking shit.
18 volts. You can tell Pinky's flying. All the batteries are hot.
Adriano, you did say destroy it. I tried. My
you gonna
quad's
take it
still
up?
come back in one piece, so I don't like these batteries at all.
What are you gonna do, right? Let it cool down, take it up again,
It's not
uncharged.
It's not even hot though. Like, it's warm, but it's not as hot as the CHMLs.
Keep going.
Like,
Let it
I've had hotter batteries after fucking less punishment. I can tell you that.